When the submission package reaches the senior reviewer can choose to take one of the three actions: to agree with the recommended approval, disagree with the recommended approval, or request a meeting regarding the recommended disposition. The senior reviewer will agree with the recommended approval and submit their decision. Once the senior reviewer submits his or her decision, the submission package will be sent to the CMS package approver. Assuming the senior reviewer approved the recommended approval, the CMS package approver signs the approval notice. The CMS package approver also has the option to request a meeting or take action on the package. Once the package approver takes action on the package, his or her options are to approve the official submission package or return the submission package to CPOC and SRT for review. Let's return to the training environment to finish up the approval process. So we'll log into MACPro as a CMS senior reviewer. We will navigate to the Task tab on the upper toolbar. We will select a task labeled Review Submission Package with the package ending in 4468J. The senior reviewer will see the CMS point of contact's recommended disposition of approval as indicated by the green check mark. We now have the option to agree, disagree, or request a meeting regarding the recommended disposition. Should the senior reviewer disagree with the approval recommendation, the submission package would go back to the CMS point of contact for review. If request a meeting is selected, the CPOC will receive a task to conduct a briefing meeting and to modify the approval letter after the meeting before sending it back to the senior reviewer. This meeting is scheduled outside of MACPro. For this training, we will click on the radio button next to Agree. The senior reviewer may enter instructions in the text box. For this training, we will enter for training purposes only. Next, we will click the button labeled Submit Decision. A message will appear asking if we want to submit our decision. Select Yes. We will now log out as CMS Senior Reviewer and log in to MACPro as a CMS Package Approver. Once we are logged in, we will navigate to the Task tab. Next, we will select a task that says Approved Package and the package ending in 4468J. The package approver must first accept the task by selecting the blue button that says Accept. Prior to accepting the task, the package approver needs to review the P code to ensure that they are selecting the correct approver. Once a task has been accepted, it cannot be assigned to another approver. The approval notice that was filled out by the CMS point of contact will be shown. If we scroll down, you will see that the package approver cannot edit the notice, but may edit his or her name and title by typing in the text boxes. The name and title field are pre-populated from your user profile. You will notice that the Save button is grayed out. When we make a change to the name to read Training Package Approver MO, and then click outside the text box, the Save button becomes available. Next, we will save our work by selecting Save. The package approver has the option to request a meeting or take action on the package. For this demonstration, we will choose Take Action on the Package and select Yes. There are two available workflow actions. The package approver can either approve official submission package or return the submission package to CPOC and SRT for additional review. If you choose to return the submission package to the CPOC and SRT for additional review, the submission package will need to be rerouted through the review process again. For the sake of time, we will choose the radio button next to Approve Official Submission Package. We will approve the package by selecting Execute Action and Yes. Please note that the package approver does not have the option in MACPro to disagree with the recommended approval at this time. Let's now return to the PowerPoint to review the steps we just completed. We will return to the training environment. Assuming the package approver approved the official submission package, the CPOC will then upload the PDF of the approval letter to the submission package and then submits the submission package to the state point of contact to acknowledge approval. Let's move back into the system to see what this looks like. We will log in to MACPro as a CMS point of contact. Once we are logged in, we will navigate to the Task tab. After navigating to the Task tab, we will select the task labeled Attach Approval Documentation for the package ending in 4468J. Under the Instructions section, we will upload copies of the approval letter with the physical signature on it and any other documentation necessary. There are two ways to upload a document. First, you can select the Upload button and choose a document from your library. Second, you can open your Documents library and drag the selected document onto the Upload button. We will try option 1. Let's select the Upload button and search for a document titled Training Approval Doc. We will double-click on this document to upload it. Then we will press Save Documents. You may get a message indicating that the document save is in progress. By clicking the blue button that says Refresh, we will be taken back to the previous screen after the documents have been saved successfully. Please do not navigate off of the screen until your document has successfully uploaded. Doing so may cause your task to be delayed. The documents that was uploaded will appear in the table. If necessary, the CMS point of contact may check a box next to an uploaded document and select the button labeled Delete Document to remove it from the saved document table. Once the approval documentation is uploaded, we will just click the button labeled Take Action on Package and select Yes. The only available workflow action is to return the approved submission package to state point of contact for acknowledgement. We will enter For Training Purposes Only in the instructions text box. Next, we will select Execute Action. We will return the approved submission package to state point of contact by selecting Yes. This is the end of our in-system demonstration portion of today's training. Let's return to the PowerPoint to review additional information. The last step in the approval process is for the CMS point of contact to close the submission package. Once the state point of contact acknowledges approval, the CMS point of contact will receive an email notification and receive a task in their task list to close the submission package. The CMS point of contact will choose a workflow action to close approved submission package. Execute action is selected and the CPOC chooses yes to close the approved submission package. If the CPOC does not receive notification that the state has acknowledged approval, they may want to reach out to the state point of contact. This will ensure that the submission package is closed in a timely manner. This completes the approval process. Now, let's refresh your memory on how this process flow would differ in the case of a disapproval. Like with the approval flow, we will break the disapproval flow down to review in two parts, beginning with the upper portion of this workflow. We will not go into the disapproval process within the system today, but more information will be forthcoming. Much of the process is the same in the beginning stages of the disapproval workflow compared to the approval flow. So, we will start with the point at which the CPOC determines that they will recommend disapproval. At this point, the disapproval coordinator completes the disapproval package and selects senior reviewer users to review the package and a disapproval recommendation. Then, the senior reviewer reviews the package and recommended disposition. The senior reviewer may request a meeting, or the senior reviewer may disagree with the recommendation, which returns the package to the CPOC for the submission review team to re-review. Again, senior reviewer reviews the package. Let's assume that senior reviewer agrees with the disapproval. The package disapprover then receives the package. The package disapprover may request a meeting with the disapproval coordinator. The package disapprover may also choose to return the submission package to the CPOC and SRTs for further review. If the package disapprover agrees with the disapproval and disapproves the package, the CPOC will receive the package and upload the PDF disapproval letter. They then return the package to the SPOC. The SPOC receives the package and acknowledges receipt. Finally, the CPOC closes the package. The next few slides includes the reports available within MACPro for CMS users. Each of these reports functions similarly, but pull different information for your reference. Again, this slide is for your reference. Technical assistance will be available to MACPro users. For issues related to MACPro access and how to use the MACPro system, contact the MACPro help desk at macpro_helpdesk at cms.hhs.gov, call 301-547-4688, or select the Request System Help link within MACPro. To help expedite an answer to your request, here's the information that should be provided in an email request to the help desk. Your contact information, the program and authority you are using, such as MACPro Medicaid State Plan eligibility, a detailed description of your inquiry. If applicable, specify the last screen or activity that was performed before experiencing the issue, and screenshots of the issue you're experiencing. The table on this slide outlines web browser version details for accessing MACPro, as well as web browser and software information related to using the print-to-PDF functionality within the system. Please note that Google Chrome is the optimal web browser for use with MACPro, and that Internet Explorer users must have version 11 to access MACPro as of July 10th. If necessary, we encourage you to work with your organization's IT department to prepare for working in MACPro. Furthermore, This table lists the software requirements for accessing MACPro and the print-to-PDF details. Again, this is for your future reference as you utilize MACPro. Additional resources will be available to MACPro users. First, if you have not done so already, please obtain an EIDM ID and request your appropriate EIDM role for access to MACPro. Once you obtain access to MACPro, please ensure that you have all the necessary access and MACPro roles that you need. Instructions are available to assist you with this process on Medicaid.gov under State Resources, the Medicaid and CHIP Program Portal, and EIDM instructions for MACPro users. The direct link is on this slide for your reference. Additionally, the EIDM portal team has videos available that demonstrate the necessary steps you will need to take. Please note, these videos are not specific to MACPro. Links to these video resources are located on this slide. We will now end the presentation with the Q&A session